Good morning, children. Today we are going to study Maths, ICSC Mathematics 1. Take out this book. This is first chapter, number from 1 to 9, page 8. Take out page 8. Bigger or smaller. Okay. Look at the given examples. Okay. See, Papa elephant. See, Papa elephant, Mama elephant, Mummy elephant, baby elephant. So, see the picture is bigger than Mummy elephant. Papa elephant is bigger than Mummy elephant. Is bigger than baby elephant. See, Mummy elephant is big elephant. Okay, and baby elephant, small elephant, elephant. Okay, so first one, see, red crayon, yellow crayon, green crayon. You see, green crayon is very big, so red crayon is smaller than yellow. Yes, smaller than yellow. Small. Red crayon is small, so red crayon is smaller than yellow crayon, and yellow crayon is smaller than green crayon, because green crayon is big crayon. Okay, so just like animals or objects, numbers are also bigger or smaller. For examples, 2 is smaller than 3. Yes, 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is small because 2 comes first in counting, then 3. Yes, 7 is bigger than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is bigger than 4 because 7 comes later. Yes, 7 comes later in counting, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first smallest number. Every time memorize this. 0 is the smallest number. Okay. The number that is closer than 0 is the smaller number. Look at the picture and write bigger or smaller. Two picture is here. See, right side and left side. Okay. Right side you see cup, and left side mummy cow. So mummy cow, you see, mummy cow big and cup is small. So mummy cow is bigger than cup. Bigger than cup, no? So see, bigger than cow. So write here bigger. Mummy cow is big, so mummy cow is bigger. Write here bigger than cow. Next picture, see, small ball, cricket ball, and then football is big. So cricket ball is then the football. So write here, what write here? Again repeat, cricket ball is smaller. Write here, smaller than the football. What you write? Cricket ball. See, cricket ball smaller than the football. B. Stand for B. Cricket ball is what? Smaller. Than the football. Okay. Next, see, Papa lion. See the picture. Papa lion. See first one. Yes. And this is cup. So Papa lion is bigger. Bigger. So Papa lion is bigger than the cup. So write here bigger. Okay. bigger, bigger. A smaller. smaller, smaller. Next picture, see deer, mama deer and fawn. So mama deer is bigger than the fawn. So write here bigger than the fawn. Okay, write here what? Bigger. Next question. Question 5. Circle the smaller number. It's very easy. Practice. Question 5. 6 or 3. So circle the smaller number. Okay, 6 or 3. So you counting smaller number, circle. So first 1 2 3. So 3 comes first. So you circle number 3, smaller number. Next 4 or 7. Again you count 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 coming first. Counting the counting time, you see first coming 4 comes first 4. So you circle 4. Okay, see 9 5. Again you count 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6 7 8 9. So 5 7. So do it on your own. Question 5. Circle the smaller number. It's very easy and do it on your own. Okay. Next 6. Circle the bigger number. Bigger. Bigger number 9 or 3. Question. So bigger, count 1 2 3. So 3 is coming. 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 comes later in counting, then 3. First count 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 comes later. See, 9 comes later in counting, then 3. So that's why bigger number 9. Okay. B 2 or 7. See 2 or 7. So again you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So see 7 comes later. 7 comes later in the counting. What? 2. So bigger number 7. Okay. See 6 or 4. Again you count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So see 6 comes later in counting, then 4. So 6 bigger number. Okay. 6 is bigger than 4. 7 is bigger than 2. 9 is bigger than 3. Okay. So practice, children, page 8 or 9. Okay.